Okay, everyone, what will happen if you pull the fire alarm at school without a fire or without authorization? After the first offense, false fire alarm, you will get a minimum of a week of out of school suspension, maximum for 10 days, and if you do it a second and third time, you are going to face expulsion, and the fire department will charge a fine if it's false alarm, and you will get arrested by the police if you are 18 years old and older. And you will get grounded by your parents if you are in elementary school and you pull that alarm. So I would not do it. Or else I will not be in my house anymore. Bye.